Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have 100 Facebook promotion banners in two different sizes, one size and second. So first I show you these files, mostly sale banners and copy banner etc. Or you can change everything, every color, every shape, or just your own shape or photo color etc if you want. So first I show you. You can adjust image or easily and you can change colors. Okay, first I drag to Photoshop and you see here in layer area every shape have a layer, logo, text. Learn more, write your own details, replace your image or you change color or replace photo. So double click here on replace photo and this layer delete, open photo. For example, I select this file, drag here and adjust this file. Okay, Control S for saving. You see here you can insert photo in shape. For example, open this file and drag on shape. Right click, create clipping mask. Okay, you see here how you can apply or etc. You see here you can change more deeply. So I close this file. Okay, here is you can adjust 4 images sale open for free shipping 40% etc. You write your own content. Here is 3 photos or here is 1. Replace your photo, simply open with Photoshop. Oh, okay, I adjust this point. You see in image you can change everything, every shape or every color. So I undo, double click and replace photo, press shift. Okay, Control S. Now and you see here. Okay, my last photo on file is banner are in this point. Simply you can change color, you import your photo. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. I love.